Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Ruiru Mugutha, and I know some of you are already asking, Mungai Kihara, you have over showcased Ruiru Mugutha. I promise this is the last one this month, okay? This is a gated estate of 4 units. Each unit has a plinth area of around 160 square meters, and each unit is a 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom bungalow that has been done on a 40 by 70 lot of land. From there, you can see that the estate has been done very well. It has been surrounded by a perimeter wall. On top of it, you have an electric fence. And if that is not enough, you are also getting a razor wire. This is the main entrance to the estate. And as you can see, on my far front, you have the security quarters. You have a driveway that can be used as a kids' play area. And this is the entrance of one of the units. From here, you can see you have a car parking that is big enough to fit 2 cars. You have a front yard on my far right. And you have a walkway that will take you to the 1-bedroom that is on the roof deck. Each unit is getting an entrance porch like this one. As you can see, the facade has been done very well. The gray and white color combination is very unique and very friendly to so many people. You're also getting your silent on that side. And before we get started, my name is Mungai Kihara. And for the people who say I have a problem with pronunciation, at least I know how to pronounce my name well. I am not Mungai Kihara. I'm not Moi Kihara. I am Mungai Kihara. It's a Kikuyu name. Let's get started. Wow, wow, wow. This is an interesting home. It has been done very well. The living room is not the biggest, but one thing that I have liked about this unit is that you are getting a 4-foot door that is very important, especially when you want to get such big furnitures to this unit. As you can see, this unit is big enough to fit a 7-seater couch like this one. You have a space behind me where you should do your electronics, and at the center you have a space where you can do a small coffee table. The unit is getting a ton of light from this massive window, and the best thing about it is that it is floor to ceiling. The living room has a slightly higher floor compared to the other rooms, and it is making this room feel more spacious and more airy. The living room is opening to the dining space on my far front, and as you can see, the space is big enough to fit a 6-seater dining set like this one. If you would want to add 2 chairs, maybe one there and another one there, the space is enough to accommodate that. The dining area is opening to the kitchen, and the whole open concept is making this unit look very, very modern and very, very accommodating. As I mentioned earlier, this unit is a 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom bungalow, and on this level where we have the main unit, we have the living room, the dining area, the kitchen, and 3 bedrooms. The 4th bedroom is outside, and that bedroom should act as the employee quarters. On the upper level where we have the roof deck, we have another bedroom that should act as the guest bedroom or an office if you like working from home. Right now we are at the kitchen. It has been done very well. I love it that you are getting a double sink next to the window. A tilting faucet is common these days, and you are getting numerous number of lower cabinetry. If you have noticed, one thing is missing in this kitchen, the upper cabinetry. So if that is not something that turns you off, then you are good to go to purchase such a unit. On this side, you have a lip on the kitchen cabinetry to create a breakfast table on the other side. And behind me, this is where you should do your 6-burner cooktop. For the open planness that is in this unit, you are not getting a pantry. What you are getting is this cabinetry that has been done on this side, and this is what should act as your pantry. This space has been reserved for your refrigerator. I don't know why this is here, but it is sitting on the space where the refrigerator should be. This door is opening to the laundry area, the employee quarters, and the staircase that takes you to the upper level. For 11.5 million Kenya shillings, I'm already loving what I am seeing. Right now, we are at the center of the unit. On my right hand side, you have the first kids bedroom. On my left hand side, you have the primary bedroom and the second kids bedroom. Behind me, you have the common washroom. We will see that, and then we will see the rest of the unit. At the entrance of the common washroom, you have a wash basin, and this is very, very practical, especially if you do a lot of chores in the unit and you don't want to go into the toilet to wash your hands. The common washroom or the common cloakroom is here. It is just standard with the standard fixtures, and what you are getting as an extra is a bidet sprayer. Let's see the first bedroom. At the entrance of the first bedroom, you have the first bathroom. It has been done very well. You have a showering area on this side. A shower curtain will be added up here. At the center, you have your WC, and on my far front, near the door, you have a wash basin. This is the smallest bedroom. It is targeting the tiny kids, and it also comes with the tiniest closet. This bedroom is getting a ton of light from that big window, and during the night you will get the light from this center light and the several downlighters that you are getting up there. Let's see the second and the primary bedroom, but before we do, you have a small shoe rack here. And this one comes in handy, especially when the family has more than enough shoes. This is the second bedroom, and at the entrance, as usual, you have its bathroom. It is a similar concept to what we saw in the first bedroom. Here you have the sleeping space, and it is big enough to fit a 3.5 by 6 bed like this one. You still have some 2 spaces up there for the side drawers. This bedroom comes with a slightly bigger closet compared to the first bedroom, and this bedroom is targeting the slightly bigger kids or your teenagers. As usual, the windows have been done very well, and they are massive, and during the night you are getting your light from the center light and the downlighters, and as you can see, the gypsum ceilings have been done excellently. From the second bedroom, we are in the primary bedroom. Some people call it the master bedroom, but that term was abolished after colonization. I love this bedroom. It has been done very well. It is the most spacious, and as you can see, it comes with 2 closets. For the few of you who understand home concepts, this closet belongs to your wife, and this other closet also belongs to your wife. Wewe inabidi umejipanga. From there, you can see that the bedroom is big enough to fit a 6 by 6 bed like this one, and you still have some spaces here and there for your side drawers. The window in this bedroom is massive, more than 6 feet, and it is giving you a ton of natural light. I love it that these developers did not cut corners. You are still getting some good gypsum ceilings in the bedroom spaces, and you still have some downlighters in the primary bedrooms, some bed lights, and a beautiful center light. The primary bathroom is the biggest, way bigger than the other bathrooms, and a shower curtain should be added up here. You are getting a slightly improved shower head. You have a double towel holder. At the center, you have a WC, and on this side, you have a wash basin and a mirror. This door is exiting from the kitchen, and it is leading you to the laundry area, and as you can see, it has been done very well, and you have some spaces there where you can do the hard washing of the dirty clothes. The clotheslines area is on the roof deck. We will see that in a few minutes. This is the fourth bedroom. It is the tiniest, slightly smaller than the first bedroom that we saw in the main unit, and it comes with the tiniest closet. This bedroom is targeting your employees, and it is big enough for one employee. This bedroom has a washroom on this side, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the other washrooms that we saw in the other bedrooms. From here, I'm taking you to the roof deck. Let's head upstairs. Right now, we are at the roof deck, and this is where you should do your events, or if you like doing barbecue, this is the space where you should do it. On my left hand side, you have a bungalow, and on top of it, that is where you should do your solar panels. If you would want to do a gazebo, this is a nice space. You can do some colorless roofing here, and this space will be perfect for your resting. This is the extra bedroom that I mentioned earlier. It has been done very well, and it has been created to act as your office, a study, or maybe a guest bedroom if you have many guests in this unit. At the entrance, you have a wash basin, and this can be used when you are doing some activities up here. Behind me, you have some poles that have been added to act as your clotheslines area. For 11.5 million Kenya shillings, this developer is giving you more than enough. And especially if you have a big family and you do not want to spend much, or you are looking to get the low-cost mortgage or the affordable housing mortgage, this is a perfect unit for you. It is big enough for a family, and it is not that expensive in terms of costings. This is the last bedroom, and as you can see, you are getting a big closet up here. If you are a traditional person and you have some boys, they can stay up here. It comes with its bathroom, adopting a similar concept to what we saw in all the other bathrooms. What is missing is a wash basin, but the developer told me that by the time you are coming to purchase this unit, a wash basin will have been added. We have come to the end of the tour. If you would want to purchase this unit, our numbers are attached in the first comment. This unit is available if you want to do a mortgage or a cash payment. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.